Welcome to Dynatrace Detroit, and thank you for joining us. The path to autonomous intelligence that began with our third-generation platform continues today, with exciting new capabilities to announce and some incredible Dynatrace customers who are leading the way. It is no secret that we've entered a time of great change. In every industry, modern business is being fundamentally reshaped by AI. This isn't just a technological upgrade, it's a profound shift in how enterprises operate, make decisions, and interact with the market. And for organizations navigating this shift, trustworthy data is everything. Seeing success and value from AI means confidently using data in context to automate, innovate, and drive your business forward. To explore what that looks like and how Dynatrace empowers the people building, maintaining, and operating their digital infrastructure with confidence and trust, let's get started with our Chief Product Officer, Steve Tack.
Thanks, Ashley. For Dynatrace customers building cloud and AI workloads, our third-gen platform delivers on the promise of agentic AI to drive faster software development and more efficient automated operations. A recent developer survey found 84% of developers use or plan to use AI tools in their daily workflows, but nearly half don't trust the accuracy of the output. We're reimagining observability to change that and turn AI behavior into observable, governable, and improvable workflows for everyone at every level. Dynatrace unifies telemetry and Grail, builds and explains causality through the Smartscape, and turns insights into explainable actions with the industry's most advanced AI capabilities. The result? Better, more trustworthy data and insights delivered in context and real time to the places, people, and moments where it makes the greatest impact. So teams can firefight less and innovate more, shift from reactive to proactive, and turn a goldmine of data into actionable insights and automation for their development, operational, and business workflows. We're already seeing incredible customers driving their business forward with Dynatrace.
Using things like some of the Gentry techniques with Live Debugger, like with trace injection, like with the ability to query traces on Grail in particular, has been very powerful for us. We've been able to take things like combining Live Debugger in a developer's Visual Studio Code environment with our Dynatrace MCP that we built out that has some investigative techniques and some pre-built DQL to be able to query Grail quickly and effectively with natural language. What used to take us 45 minutes to debug now takes 2. So it has really completely changed the game for our developers.
As organizations rush to embrace AI, one thing is clear: trustworthy data is a competitive advantage. When AI relies on contextual, real-time data, teams can observe, govern, and improve outcomes with confidence. Today, we're excited to push our platform even further for customers with new capabilities that empower trustworthy observability of AI workloads. First, we're expanding support for modern cloud platforms with deeper visibility and automation across cloud-native environments. Access all data in context, enriched with essential metrics and cloud tags for better analysis and decision-making. Gain deeper insights with enriched cloud logs and signals tagged for smarter analytics. Leverage native events, including AWS health updates, to stay ahead of potential issues for proactive monitoring. These enhancements empower teams to proactively manage cloud resources, improve visibility, and prevent issues from becoming problems. Next, we're delivering a more advanced LLM and AI workload observability. Compare performance across models like GPT-5, Claude, Vertex AI, and Azure AI Foundry. Track response time, token usage, cost, and relevancy side by side. Use prompt debugging to understand output differences and tune instructions. This helps teams balance quality, latency, and spend for each use case. And finally, we're delivering a more integrated user experience. See everything in one place and use a built-in app to view multi-cloud, multi-model performance together. Problems and vulnerabilities appear in the context of services and releases. Alert management keeps signals crisp. Prompt debugging is available where you need it so you can move quickly from issue to insight. Built on our third-gen platform, The new capabilities help empower everyone in the enterprise to accelerate cloud and AI native development with confidence. For those operating and maintaining software, or the 84% of developers using AI to write code, that means more trust, more explainability, and the ability to solve problems faster or before they start. For IT leaders, it means faster answers at lower cost, with evidence you can audit, and a greater likelihood of success with implementing AI. To explore how we're empowering organizations with understanding and end-to-end observability, let's hear from Philippe.
Steve, we hear all the time that business leaders want insight they can act on. Real-time visibility into the performance of their digital ecosystem with clear understanding of business impact. And as we've heard, successful agentic AI outcomes are predicated on trust in AI's reliability, security, and alignment with business goals and strategies. And it all starts with better, more trustworthy data. The Dynatrace 3rd Gen platform enriches business events with context to deliver real-time business intelligence and faster, better decision-making where it counts. Here's an example. If a problem occurs, leaders see its impact in real time, the service causing it, and who owns the fix. They can approve the recommended action and watch the KPI recover. We start on revenue at risk. One click drills to the payment service and the feature flag behind the dip. I can share the view with the owner and approve the rollback. Next to revenue at risk, the SLO shows budget burn. Davis explains the change that caused it and links the owner. We trigger a policy-aware rollback and a number moves. For executives looking to understand how the performance of their digital ecosystem impacts customer experience, revenue, and business outcomes, these capabilities are a game changer. And Dynatrace customers are already seeing the value.
If we don't provide to our partner the best customer experience, they will switch to someone else that give less problem, less issue, and is more faster than ours. So that's why quality and speed are important for us. Moreover, having all the logs into Dynatrace allowed us to create a dashboard that were providing not only technical metrics, but also business metrics. So we were able to support also the business in monitoring the performances of their activities. So through Dynatrace, we basically analyzed the complete funnel, and we had, for the first time, the opportunity to see from the beginning to the end the real customer experience. The introduction of Dynatrace helped us in reaching our business objective.
Success at the business level is made possible by productivity and efficiency at the practitioner level, by the brilliant development and operations experts steeped in data. Let's hear how Dynatrace is empowering everyone to do more with log data.
As Steve and Philippe highlighted today, the fundamental change in digital strategy is this. Context matters, and trust in your observability telemetry and log data matters. This isn't about just collecting log telemetry and data. It's about making your logs instantly actionable. The legacy approach treated logs as a passive, overwhelming text file. The raw piles of log data that required expensive manual labor to sift through to find insights. While that process worked then, that process is unsustainable and, not to mention, extremely cost prohibitive. With the Dynatrace 3rd Generation platform, we are fundamentally changing the value proposition with a modern approach to log management. We give customers logs not as a raw telemetry, but context-rich intelligence immediately analyzed by AI. This enables teams to explore logs in context, transforming them into predictive and preventative insights. This technical leap and modern approach delivers immediate business outcomes. Two things. It guarantees cost-effectiveness of log management solutions, and also it drives maximized digital resilience by reducing mean time to resolution with autonomous root cause analysis. We're very energized by how our customers are using our log management solution and transforming their operations with the strategic approach to log management, telemetry, and data.
Dynatrace allows us to bring our logs, metrics, and data all together in one place. Now that's really valuable, because if you think back to how we may have done it in the past, we would have gone to different locations to look at different sets of logs and metrics. Bringing that all together ultimately allows us to see the problem end to end and then drill down on root cause really quickly. Automation is really key to our strategy and service operations. Dynatrace really allows us to remove a lot of that low-level repetitive work that my team are doing constantly at first-line level and gives us the space to focus more on the complex incident that really impact the customer.
We turned to Dynatrace because it gave us the ability to unify logs and telemetry like traces to have a full context view of our application behavior. Grail helped us reduce log monitoring costs 30 to 40%. Using logs and traces, we can trigger workflows to fix bad data before it ever impacts the customer experience. We now understand the full context of what's happening in our systems.
That's some amazing and inspiring results. Amazing things are possible when you have confidence and trust in your data. I heard 3 outcomes from those stories from our customers. The first one, cost effectiveness and efficiency. In some cases, our customers were gaining 30 to 40% reduction in their log management spend. The second, maximize digital resilience. Logs and context powered through AI for autonomous root cause analysis, delivering faster MTTR to protect revenue-generating applications and infrastructure. Third, proactive operational control. Logs become essential for unified observability, shifting teams from reaction to prediction to carry innovative customer experiences. Now, back to Ashley.
In the age of AI, organizations need a trusted strategic partner to guide them through their AI investments and transformations. Because as the complexity of implementing these systems grows, so do the risks, making deep, context-rich observability of AI mandatory. Observing AI helps teams across the enterprise fine-tune experience, manage cost, provide guardrails, and govern AI responsibly. With our 3rd generation platform and the new capabilities introduced today, Dynatrace is delivering confidence where it counts and providing the support businesses need to leverage their data and AI with trust. But this is just the beginning. We're always innovating on behalf of our customers, and we can't wait to show you what's next. Talk to us to learn how to put these innovations into action today. And join us at Dynatrace Perform 2026 this January to learn how your teams and business can thrive in the age of AI.